So I was just getting ready to go to the dairy because it's that time of the week, and I forgot I took the chicken waterer out because one of the little chicken nipples on the side of the bucket I made broke. I haven't experienced that yet, so I gotta fix it. Let's see what I can find. I know I got some spare pieces. Okay, where are we? All right, these are the winners. Need one of these little rubber gaskets, and a thread-on little butterfly nut, basically. Okay, so I've been using the 6-gallon bucket for this flock of like 125 hens. It works out pretty good. Fill it twice a day, sometimes twice a day, sometimes not. Well, they think they're getting snacks. Sorry, ladies. Not right now. Gotta fix your waterer. God, it's cold out here. Okay, let's check it out. Alright. So here's their waterer. See, it's got these little red nipples around it. Let's see, I'm just gonna put a new one in. This guy. Okay. Did I did. I put the rubber gasket on the outside. Like so. Just kind of thread it back on there. The threaded stem snapped. I noticed this morning there was a lot of extra water in the hen pen, which is not ideal. Okay. This should be good. I love these little... So they call them chicken nipples. I've tried a few different cup systems like this, but this isn't even a cup. This is just this little stainless nub. And as they peck at it, water comes out. They work really good. I've made a few of them. We'll make more. As you can hear, they are thirsty. Because I forgot about that like, I don't know, an hour ago. Whoops. It's coming. It's holding water. They're thirsty. All right, well that was a quick little waterer repair today at Dayglow Farm. Not that exciting, but you know, it's something. Look, now they're going crazy. Like, where's the water bin, man? Where's the water bin? I got eggs over here. I'll definitely have to fill it up again before the end of today. Just bringing in some wood. Oh yeah. Hello, darling. I would take those though. Simply grown food.